Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Prime Video not working on your Hisense TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to launch Prime Video, but for some reason it's not working on your Hisense TV. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now, the first thing that you can do is that you can actually unplug your Hisense TV from the wall outlet, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then replug it back in. Check to see if Prime Video now works. The other thing that you can do is that if you go into quick settings of your TV, then click on Wi-Fi, just double check and make sure that you're actually connected to the Wi-Fi. Sometimes a disconnected Wi-Fi might be the reason why your Prime Video doesn't work. The other thing that you can do is that if you press and hold the OK button while you're hovered over Prime Video and then click on View Details, you could actually go ahead and uninstall and then reinstall Prime Video and see if that works. Now, as a last resort, if you go back to the home page, then go into quick settings, then click on all settings. And then from here, scroll all the way down and click on system, then scroll down and then click on restart. I normally recommend this as a last resort to see if that'll fix Prime Video not working on your Hisense TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix Prime Video not working on your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.